UEDA is an incredible group of people that come together to collaborate, to share ideas, to share best practices, to share worst practices. It's almost utility therapy for all of those of us working with large load customers and managing expectations of all of our constituents as we continue to power America.
UEDA is fire. It's my favorite conference. It's the premier place where economic development professionals who are in the utility sphere can come together and really just learn from each other, really understand what the challenges are, understand how people are having successes, and really share that out with our colleagues and our peers.
The benefits are innumerable. The fraternity that has developed around utility economic developers and their specific set of problems and challenges. We have personally, as an economic developer for an East Coast power company, I learned lots of potential solutions to large problems that were being experienced around the country. And I wouldn't have otherwise had access to those challenges without UEDA, without access to the great folks that comprise this organization.
One of the most beneficial things that's been a part of this whole experience is the peer-to-peer session that we do. So at the front end of the conference, we kick off this open-air dialogue where everybody just kind of shouts out what's going on with, for example, data centers or large load or adding new transmission, however that works in your company. And we kind of have those as talking points for the rest of the conference week. And the very last day, we wrap it up with a final peer-to-peer discussion where we answer some of those questions that people have been able to unpack and explore throughout the week. And that to me has been the most tangible, hands-on, how do we solve for X, Y, or Z? And I think that that's really what brings the value of the organization, because we're actually able to talk tactically and tangibly about the things that affect us the most.
I think being able to open up, getting ready to come to the meeting, my first meeting, I didn't understand the dynamics, I didn't understand the openness. Because we don't compete in our markets, people are more willing to share, and these people are dealing with the same prospects, the same site selectors that I deal with. And so being able to get that information and be open and be receptive, and that when you do receive this information in 3 or 4 months, it's true, good information. And again, that's the canary in the coal mine. Sometimes we hear things that are happening now in different markets, and then 6 months or 8 months later, it'll bring its head up in our market. So that's one of the best parts about the conference, is that when you come here, you open up, and then hopefully you'll receive some good information that you can take back into your local territory and make a difference.